Module 4, Lesson 8, Linear Equations in Disguise. So at first this might not appear to be a linear equation, but if we do the first step to solving proportions, which is cross multiplying, the equation that we get is 12x equals 30. This is a linear equation, so we're able to solve it. In this case, there's only one step. We have to divide by 12 to get x by itself because the 12 and the x are multiplied. When we divide here, 30 over 12 reduces to 5 over 2, or 2.5. All right, for the next one, of course, it looks like a little more complicated. If we cross multiply here, remember that we are taking 4 times all of that top x minus 1, and 2 times all of that top of x plus a third. All right, then we should be able to distribute. And then from here we can solve. There are no like terms on the left side, there are no like terms on the right side. Step 3, get rid of one of these x's. So I'll subtract the 2x to get rid of that term. And then two-step problem now, add 4. And then divide by 2. So x equals 9.3, repeating, or 28 over 3. All right, the final part involves drawing two triangles. These are similar triangles. We need to set up a proportion in order to solve these. There are many ways you can set up a proportion that are correct and many ways that are incorrect. You have to match the two pieces in one of the triangles together, either vertically or horizontally, and the two pieces that are in the other triangle together, either vertically or horizontally. And then you also have to match matching sides. So in this triangle, what side is going to match this? It's going to be the 9.5 side. So when we set this up, those two sides have to match each other. Now, if we're looking at the bottom here, the side that's going to match would be the bottom here. So we want to make sure that we are setting those pieces up together also. So here's a couple ways you could set this up. X minus 2 over x plus 2 equals 9.5 over 12. Or you could set it up as x minus 2 over 9.5 because those sides pair. And then x plus 2 over 12 because those sides pair. Notice here, both of these come from the same triangle, both of these come from the same triangle. Both of these come from the same triangle, both of these come from the same triangle. So whichever way you set this up, you're going to cross multiply. 12 parenthesis x minus 2 and 9.5 parenthesis x plus 2. So we do the distribution, 12x minus 24 and 9.5x plus 19. We don't have like terms on the left to add, we don't have like terms on the right to add, so now we can get rid of one of these x's. So I'll subtract the 9.5x, x, and that'll leave me with 2.5x minus 24 equals 19. Two steps, add 24, 2.5x equals 43. I'm going to move this up here so I don't have more room. 2.5x equals 43. And now my last step is to divide by 2.5 to get my x alone. And I will get 43 divided by 2.5 is 17.2. Now, if I need to know what the actual length of this side is, I'm going to have to take my 17.2 and put it in here for x and do the math. 17.2 take away 2 would be 15.2 for this side. And down here at the bottom, if this is 17.2, 17.2 plus 2 would be 19.2 for this side.